Hi, and how are you? I hope you are having a fantastic day. Today, we're going to talk about cryptocurrency news, IRS guidelines, and crypto tax liability. So, if you're buying and selling cryptocurrencies, you have a tax liability, and the IRS last week just released new guidelines to help all of us manage that tax liability according to their guidelines. So let's get into it. I am not a financial advisor and I'm not a tax advisor. This is not financial advice. This is not tax advice. This is my opinion. I am not smarter than you. You are smarter than you realize. Do not trust what I say. Do your own research. So just this week, the Internal Revenue Service, the IRS, just issued its first cryptocurrency tax guidance in 5 years. Wow. The Internal Revenue Service, IRS, has published its first guidance in 5 years for calculating taxes owed on cryptocurrency holdings. Industry members have been eagerly awaiting the update since May of 2019, when IRS Commissioner Charles Rettig said the agency was working on providing fresh guidance. The agency's 2014 guidance left many questions unanswered, and the crypto market has grown more complex in the years since. As expected, the guidance notice released Wednesday addresses the tax liabilities created by cryptocurrency forks, the acceptable methods for valuing cryptocurrency received as income, and how to calculate taxable gains when selling cryptocurrencies. Drew Hinks, a lawyer with Carlton Fields and the general counsel to Athena Blockchain, told CoinDesk that from the tax collector's standpoint, this is the right answer, though certified public accountant Kirk Phillips said he was surprised that the guidance basically only addresses forks. So it sounds like even though the IRS has finally provided some additional tax guidance, sounds like it's actually lacking lots of details that you would normally need in order to handle these kinds of liabilities. Now, just for your info, my family uses Zen Ledger in order for us to put together our tax liability. I am not getting paid. I'm not getting any kind of affiliate fee. I'm not getting any kind of referral fee. I'm not getting any kind of bonus or any attaboy or thank you very much for talking to you about Zen Ledger today. My reason for telling you about it is it's what's worked for us. I wanted to share it with you. You may find them useful. I hope you do. If you're buying and selling cryptocurrency, you need to understand the tax liabilities you've just accrued for yourself. So Zen Ledger can help you with putting together a record of your purchases and sales of cryptocurrency, transfers, and everything else. And so I wanted to give you information about them because somebody else shared it with me. They didn't get a commission or anything either, and it has helped us out. I had a lot more transactions than I ever realized, and there's no way I could have manually put those together. Zen Ledger helps you do that in an automated fashion. So a couple of things. Zen Ledger produced a article covering this new tax guidance that was released on October 11th of 2019. And some of the things that they discuss here, I'm going to include a link at the bottom of this video so that you can read this article for yourself. But they discuss here how the tax guidance from the IRS discusses hard forks. If you got units of new crypto, you have gross income. The tax guidance from the IRS covers you must recognize capital gains and capital losses. It talks about tax lots. You can choose which units of crypto were involved in specific transactions. You can also, transfers are not taxable events. In other words, if you have a hardware wallet or even a software wallet, if you're transferring your crypto from your wallet onto an exchange, that transfer is not taxable. But when you purchase, say you go from Bitcoin to Ethereum on the exchange itself, that is a taxable event. When you trade Bitcoin to Ethereum, That is a taxable event per the IRS, and this goes into some detail, but there are other articles on Zen Ledger that go into greater detail. And then the last thing that came out of this guidance is it is your responsibility to maintain your records, and using a tool like Zen Ledger will help you maintain this information and makes it an easy task. Sign up for free. They have a 1-year refund policy, no questions asked. And so when you sign up and create an account on Zen Ledger, you'll be able to put in all of your wallet addresses. You'll probably be able to put in all of your exchanges, depending on what exchanges you use. And then they will, in an automated fashion, go and gather all of your transactions, and they'll automatically create a lot of your tax forms and give you all of your transactions in a way that you can audit everything and make sure that everything is there that needs to be there. And so it can turn what otherwise might be a nightmare into a very useful and much easier process to handle when it comes to figuring out your tax liability. And then the last thing I wanted to share with you is I did participate in a webinar with Zen Ledger, and at the end of the webinar they gave a coupon code. Now it doesn't say here what the expiration date of the coupon code is, but because I actually used this coupon code, I asked them before I used it, how long do I have? Because I was thinking I could wait until December 31st before I actually purchased this. But because this coupon expires the end of October 2019, so if it's November 1st, 2019 or later, this coupon, I was told, will no longer be available. Of course, you can always try it in their shopping cart and see if it still works. But prior to October 31st, 2019, you can get a 20% discount if you choose to purchase the Zen Ledger package. So that's what I've got for you. I'm going to put the 3 links to this website page, this web page, and this web page in the YouTube video so that you can take a look at it for yourself. In the meantime, I hope that you have a fantastic day. How can I be of service to you? If you have any questions, if you have any comments, if you have anything that you'd like us to do, just use the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. In the meantime, like, subscribe, and hodl. Have a fantastic day.